Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open the YouTube video and focus on the address bar now. You need the exact identifier. Once the page is loaded, scan the URL for the parameter that begins with v equals. That is the core. Make sure to include every character after v equals up to the next symbol like and or a space. If the URL is shortened, expand it using the browser's copy and paste into a plain text field so you can see the full string clearly. Now extract the ID depending on the URL format. If you see v equals, copy characters after it until an ampersand or the URL ends. That is the ID. For short URL, b links, copy the path portion immediately after the domain. If the video is embedded, look for embed/ followed by the ID. Once done, paste the ID into a text editor to confirm it's 11 characters long. That typical length verifies you captured it correctly. Finally, verify the ID by appending it to a standard watch URL and loading it. You should land on the same video. If playback fails, double-check characters that look alike, such as 0 versus capital O or lowercase l versus 1. Make sure you didn't include extra symbols like question marks or ampersands. As a troubleshooting tip, if the ID remains elusive, view the page source or use a different browser. Sometimes extensions or shorteners hide the full string.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.